This is my video for keyboard repair steps. We're gonna start with the first step. We need to make sure the laptop is powered off. Before starting, remove the battery. We need to use a plastic opening tool to pry out the narrow plastic lid, as we can see. For step number 2, we need to remove the following screws securing the top of the keyboard, as we can see here. For step number 3, we need to lift the keyboard away from the laptop, starting from the top end, which is nearest to the screen. This part, we need to lift it up. Which is the keyboard away from the laptop. So here we lift it. For step number 4, we need to use the tip or the flat end of a nylon spudger to unlock the connector securing the flat cable of the keyboard to the logic board. We need to pull the flat cable out, not up, as we can see there. This one. And when reassembling, insert and hold the flat cable in place with one hand. Use the other hand to lock the connector using the tip or flat end of a nylon spudger. If you realize the flat cable before locking the connector, it will most probably slip out. So like this. These are the 4 steps for the keyboard repair.